All right, so this is deal number 4, made $100,000 on this assignment. So this was my second deal that I got. I got this just driving around a neighborhood in the north part of Dallas, very nice area, all brick homes from the 60s. Some of them have been flipped, some haven't. So I was out really early on a Saturday morning, like 7 or 8 a.m., driving around the neighborhood. I noticed this house, it looked like it might have been vacant, so overgrown, looked pretty old. I left a note on the door just saying, hey, do you want to sell the house? Continued driving for a few more hours. Actually got a phone call from who I thought was the homeowner, but ended up that guy was deceased. This was the man dealing with it. So went back over to the house, walked it, built rapport with that guy. He was awesome dude, really nice guy. Just built rapport, talking about hunting, fishing, everything that he liked to do that I like to do. So that was cool. Negotiated the price, told him, hey, this is exactly how much it's going to cost in repairs, and that was about $125,000, $150,000. This is a pretty big house, like 2,400 square feet in a nice part of Dallas. So I knew the ARV was about $890, really great area to be in. Repairs were going to be about $125 to $150. I told him that I could offer $435, and that's what I offered him. About a week or two went by, kind of kept in touch. He called me while I was at my actual W-2 job at the time and said, hey, I want you to buy this house. It's been great getting to know you, but can you do $465? I said, yeah, I guess I can make that work. So did $465, got the contract all signed. We actually did $1,000 in earnest money deposit. So a little bit bigger deal, need to put down a little bit more money. So sent this off to the title company. How we found the end buyer, this person fixed and flipped it. It was a lady that's in our network, great woman, great at flipping houses. So I showed her the house. She had actually flipped this exact same floor plan in another city around Dallas. So she loved it, could buy it for $565. So she brought all the money to the table. I didn't have to bring anything other than the $1,000 in earnest money, which I got back when it closed. So closed about 2.5, 3 weeks later. She bought it for $565. She just sold it, I think, a couple months ago for about $890. So great deal on both sides, but was able to make $100,000 off this. This is actually what got me out of my W-2 job. So I was still working 9 to 5, doing this on the weekend, doing this after work, but this is what got me out of my job, which is awesome. So another great example of go out, do something, create your own luck. Cold call, knock doors, leave notes on doors, do whatever you got to do to talk to somebody. So pretty cool right here. Deal number 4, deal number 2 for myself.